UDIMI sucks. Look at this. Action required. Click to view. Negative balance. Your UDIMI balance is negative. All UDIMI functions have been locked until you cover the difference. What is this? My balance was positive. Then suddenly it becomes negative. Why? They say because 1 year and a half ago we refunded you more money than what we should have. Then 1 year and a half later, now we found out, and you have to give it back. So let's see here. I contacted support. Say what are you talking about? 1 year ago. So I say what do you say? And they say yes, it was this, and they show me some things. But at the time, I was doing a lot of proposals, so paying a lot of people, and if they don't answer in 24 hours, they refund the money, Udemy. And then I ask again more and more people. So that's what I was doing. So I could not have seen this. But there was a mistake in their system, and now they realized and they want me to pay it back. So they say, you was giving free money, which you should return. I say, what? Who gave me the money? I didn't ask for anything. So someone in your company made a mistake, which gave money, if you say so, and now you want it back 1 year and a half later. Then ask this person, if it's a developer who made a bug, then you should take on his salary, not ask for me. So you got it due to technical glitch. Who made the technical glitch? Huh? This person for the money, not me. So what I'm going to do now is very simple. I'm going to delete this account. Udemy, you want to take money from me for a mistake you made. I don't accept this. So I'm not going to use Udemy again, at least with this account, because then I will have to pay for this for $300, but I spent thousands of dollars with Udemy, so they took each time a transaction fee. So they should think about that. They don't want, then here you have, Udemy sucks. They want $300, they will have no dollar, and I will not put money in Udemy again. There are other solo ads providers, platforms, I will use them.